Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and gracious. Dear Judge, Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am here to deliver a speech entitled The Role of Youth in Nation Building. Mr. President, nation building refers to the process of engaging all the citizens and building social unison, political stability, and economic prosperity in a comprehensive and democratic manner. Nation building is possible only when all the citizens are involved in the development of the nation. It is the youth of a country that plays the most important role in nation building. Dear audience, as you all know that youth constitute major portion of total national population. Around 25% population of the world is youth. Such a major portion of population plays an important role in the development of the nation and can't be ignored. The determination and energy with which youth can work makes them the most valuable and capable citizen of the nation. However, it's important that youth get structures that freedom of speech, ideas, and opinions. They should get right platform to voice their opinion, share their ideas, and showcase their talent. The vision of a country lies in the hands of youth. They are filled with tremendous and towering ambition. It will be a great wastage of human resource if these are not given an opportunity to exercise their talent. The primary role of young people is to get good education and become better citizens of tomorrow. They need to learn skills to do a job that their country needs. They also need to know how to read, write, think, analyze, understand, and discuss the issue that their country faces. The entire success depends on the youth. However, in order for continuous success to take place, it's government's responsibility to provide the youth with proper facilities for getting equipped with the knowledge of the modern era. Youth is the spring of life. It is the age of discovery and dreams. They have the power to transform their nation into a better place. They have the ability to lead their fellow citizens in the right direction. We have aspiring doctors, entrepreneurs, scientists, and who know maybe the next president. Illiteracy is major.